Let's go, everyone. Today we're unboxing the Supreme small box logo crew neck in the color white. Here we go. There's a small box logo there in red. It's a crew neck. They gave me a sticker with it. Let's see. Let's check out the rest of the packaging. So again, this is a small box crew neck in white medium. I guess they call it stone color. This came out SS23W16. So let's get it. Let me open it up. Show you all what it's like. All right. Wow. It's very, very fresh looking. So there's the small box logo. It feels thick. You can see here's the tag, made in Canada. Feels very, very soft. Yeah, you can see the texture there. Looks like a very nice crew neck. Feels sturdy like their other hoodies and stuff that I have. This feels like pretty durable material. Yeah, so, yep, let me know, wow. Let me know what you think in the comment section below on this crew neck. So here's the bottom. Looks like good quality. Here are the sleeves. Yeah, overall feels very high quality. So yeah, good job Supreme. I'm going to be wearing this. I like it. And hope you're all doing well. Please like and subscribe for more future random unboxing videos. Later.